In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a vendor inside of Zoho Books. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho Books like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to purchases here on the menu. Then from here you need to go down one step down until you see vendors. And right beside that you'll see this plus icon. And when you click on it, you'll have the opportunity to create a new vendor. From here you'll add a primary contact. And here you can add a salutation, the first name, and a last name of course. Then you can add a company name. You can add a display name that will be visible for the vendor layout on Zoho Books. You can also add in an email address and a phone number for that specific vendor. Then when you scroll down you can add in a company ID, you can add in the currency, a tax rate, you can also create one down here, an opening balance, a payment term, which you can select all of these options from, or you can configure your own terms. You can also enable portal, which means that the vendor will have access to the portal. You can also add in the portal language, and you can select a bunch of different languages for your vendor to choose from. Then from here you can also add in the documents, and you can upload them. You can upload up to a maximum of 10 files, where all of them needs to be 10 megabyte each. Down here you can also add more details, and here you can add the website URL, a department, designation, a Twitter URL, a Skype name or number, or a Facebook URL. Then from here just scroll up again, you can go up to the address, and you can fill in the address if you want to do that. You can have the billing address and the shipping address over here. Then from here you can add in a contact person, custom field, reporting tax, and you can add the remarks for that specific vendor. When you have done that, you can click save down here. And as you can see here, the contact has been added, or the vendor has been added. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!